Don't get any better than that. And good old Ricky's back. Just in case you guys don't believe me. You know what I mean? Oh, trusty Chevy's right there. Oh shit, the bumper got a little fucking crunched. Rotted. No. Don't be a slave to the system. You are. Alright. Good buddy, wish me luck. Yo! What's my life? Alright. Oh. Fucking couple Chevys. Couple Chevys. Alright, Joe. Appreciate you, buddy. Good old GTO Joe. Oh, my plate. That screw is fucking in there tight, right? Yeah, I'm fucking good with that, buddy. Dude, look at this fucking classic ass shit. Yo. Let's start this pig up. This is actually kind of scary. Hard ass. It works. Beast. Alright, dude. She works. This is fucking out of pocket though. This thing's funny. Alright, yeah. If you want, once you get a moment, try 3-point turn and then I'll pull and then we'll go out this way. Yeah. Fucking big rig. Alright, let's get out of here. Oh my god, dude. Fucking trusty works. Oh my god, dude. I kinda wanna give her a hit, but like, I'm scared. Oh, it works. Fucking GTO Joe. Look at you go. This guy's fucking fixing rigs. Rigging my pig. Let's fucking go. Holy fuck, this thing eats. Decent. Oh, this shit's badass. Yeah, I'll see you guys at the gas station. Fuel this pig up. Oh, I can't stop laughing. Yeah, this thing doesn't have Apple Pay. Suffer. Hold up. Oh no, please don't tell me that's what I think it is. What is that? Huh? Oh. There's like some rubber line hanging.
Yeah.
I couldn't ignore it, sadly. Yeah, dude. Don't get any better than that. Good old Ricky's back. Just in case you guys don't believe me.
Monster kill.
You know what I mean? Right? 87 gang, it's been a while. Dude, life is cool. Fucking shoulder hurts. Not bad, like them already. Man, that was so random. Dude, that thing is about to freaking hook onto something. It goes to like the rear end, so I don't know if it's like, I don't know, that scared me.
What, you just tucked it up?
Yeah, I just tucked it up. So when I get back, I'm gonna see if it falls down again.
Yeah.
Oh. This is so sick. Fucking. I was talking so much shit in the car on the way here. I was like, yeah, baby, fucking my rig it back, man. This can't be real life. I just feel out of pocket.
This is the dangerous groups in which we're dealing with now.
Let's get out of here. Ah, fuck. A couple of these. Good old 6 though. Alright, buddy's gonna smoke some pot.